今朝早餐之後，我哋又出發了。去邊度呢？我哋今日去一個地方叫做艾本哈道古城。艾本哈道古城係坐落在摩洛哥南部，由摩洛哥原住民帕派爾人用泥土同埋稻草所建造嘅防禦型嘅村莊，係最有特色而且又保存得最完整嘅土堆城堡，同時喺贏得了摩洛哥最美嘅村莊之稱。建於11世紀，艾本哈道曾經係一個駱駝商隊在沙漠中嘅其中一個點，規模不算太大，但都有過繁榮興盛嘅時期。周圍都可以睇到呢啲椰棗樹。密密麻麻嘅房屋建於山坡之上。艾本哈道面臨雅迪河，但係你哋而家所見呢條河水已經乾晒啦，可能又等到雨季嗰陣時先至變成河啦。佢哋又喺山坡之下起咗防禦嘅圍牆，將佢哋所住嘅村莊包圍起來。佢哋咁做嘅主要目的就係抵抗外敵侵入。雖然呢啲村莊係用泥土砌出嚟嘅，但係手工都算精細，同埋相當穩固。目前艾本哈道呢個村落仍然維繫舊時嘅模樣，但係只有少數嘅居民住喺裏邊。經濟能力好嘅居民早已搬入雅迪河對岸嘅新村落，不過卻遺留下完整嘅舊城卡斯本，吸引不少遊客嚟此觀光。我走喺呢個舊城當中，房屋、牆壁、屋頂，每個角落都似乎好似童話故事般。鮮紅色嘅房舍，讓人有種虛幻同埋不切實際嘅感覺，但係又好真實嘅出現在你嘅眼前。難怪荷里活嘅電影都會千里迢迢嚟此拍攝。 外景，我喺度就好似置身喺電影當中。我雖然冇上到最高嘅地方，但係一個人喺呢啲小巷之中穿插，令我有一種感覺呢，就係置身於呢個世外桃源，慢慢去享受、去感受此夢有咁真實嘅地方。
繼續行啊！耐唔中轉個頭過嚟。
離開咗古城，我哋就喺呢個附近一個攤仔當中食咗一餐豐富嘅午餐。
番茄炒蛋。
午餐之後，我哋就係同愛本哈道古城說聲拜拜啦。下一個地方，我哋就嚟到呢個中途站。呢個地方主要係產 Argan Oil， 我哋講嘅阿根油。阿根油又稱為堅果油。阿金油係由阿金果所榨取而成，佢生長於摩洛哥嘅阿金樹上。摩洛哥人世世代代都在使用。近些年嚟，研究發現，呢啲果實含有獨特嘅化學成分，使佢成為一種對皮膚啊、頭髮美容都好有幫助嘅珍寶。由於阿金油正係盛產於摩洛哥嘅南部地區，佢亦都可以稱為摩洛哥嘅三寶之一。
Okay, so then we break the second to get these small seeds. You can see, and with these seeds we make two types of the argan oil. For cosmetic, the one that we use for hair, face, and for the body. In the second one, it's for eating, okay? If you like to see it, it's in here. Traditional meal, natural, and for eating the same seeds, but for eating, they are roasted before, okay? Cosmetic, natural, and eating roasted. That's the difference between the colors. We put the seeds inside in here. We grind them. When we have this paste to get oil from it, we add a little of warm water here because warm water helps the separation between oil and the paste. We mix it well. After 2 hours, we see that the oil it's up and the paste it's down, okay? And that's it. In this one, okay, in this one, it's the rest of the paste when we have oil. This one, it's the rest of the eating one. And with this one, we make the black soap for exfoliation, shower, and hammam. In this one, it's the rest of the cosmetic one. And with this one, we make the normal soap of the argan oil, okay? And that's it. If you like to take a picture, it's okay. Then please, you can come closer here. If you like first to taste the eating one, then I will show you the cosmetic products there, okay? You can come closer, please, to taste. It's delicious.
呢個係貨食嘅，
食嘅食嘅，
呢個食嘅，
呢個就係火面嘅，
呢個係貨茶面嘅，呢個要影出先翻去。
紅色喎呢啲。
係咯，
點做到紅色咧？
Argan oil. Okay. Vegetable with bread, we add it in salad or just at last 5 minutes in cooking. We don't heat it, and it's good for stomach problems, heart problems, diabetic people. And it's rich with omega-3, 6, and 9, and it's zero cholesterol. Okay. Argan oil, natural. Okay. And this one, it's a mixture between almonds, roasted honey, and argan oil for eating. It's like peanut butter, but this one it's delicious. Okay. And the third one, it's a local honey from different plants. Okay. Then please, you can come closer. You can have a small piece of the bread and you can taste. Okay. I will give you the bread and you can just dip in it like this. Okay.
OK，你講食咩？
打呢啲
啊，呢個點啊？
甜甜地㗎。
啊，第二個咧，中間嗰個咧，
Okay, so please, you can come closer here.
油嚟嘅，
啊，第三個佢話咩啊？
第一啊，
呢啲同堅果有冇關係㗎？堅果油同堅果冇關係嘅。
講咩啊？阿根油嘅生產過程非常複雜，全部以人工手工為主，所以咧生產1公斤嘅阿根油咧要消耗大量嘅勞動力，據說咧係要花費1日半嘅時間，淨係用石頭敲開呢啲果實，花費嘅時間都要12小時之多。每年嘅6、7月時間，阿金樹上面嘅果實成熟啦，啲山羊呢就喜歡爬上樹嚟食呢度啲果實，這係成為一個獨特嘅風景。如果你鍾意我今期嘅介紹，請訂閱讚好，我哋下期再見啦。